Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome, dear students, to our science class. So today is Tuesday, and the date is the 8th of December 2020. We will discuss about page 339. Please open 339. But before that, you saw a video about telescope. Who can tell me what does telescope do? What does telescope do? If you want to answer, raise your hand, please. What does telescope do? Yes, sir.
A telescope is a tool that makes faraway objects look larger. It helps people see the details of stars, planets, and other faraway objects.
MashaAllah. Thank you very much. Thank you, Saif. Yes. Okay. Does it look like something we use in the laboratory over here? Something we use outside? Maybe it's small as your hand. I need a tool that makes things look bigger. Think about it. If you are outside in the garden and you want to take a close look at some insect, what are you going to use?
Like a magnifying glass.
Excellent. Yes, like a magnifying glass or a hand lens. Excellent, Yasef. Bravo, bravo. So these tools make things look bigger. A telescope is a huge tool that can make far away or small objects look larger and close. So how do astronomers know about planets and stars? How did they study them? Only by going to space? No, they used a telescope. Yes, yeah, Hamza.
Can I go drink water?
Of course, dear, you can go drink water. Of course. Now, guys, these are types of telescope. On the left side, you can see an old one. This is very old. In 1609, the astronomer Galileo invented a new telescope. He used the telescope to study space. So long time ago, people, or let's say scientists, they didn't have the chance to go to space. They didn't know how to build a rocket to go to space. But what they did, they built it or invented a telescope. They invented a telescope so they can learn what's up there, what is up there, and what do we have. Then telescope on the left side, on the right side, these are the telescope from today. Today have more parts than the first telescope had. They are made out of different materials too. Can you see? Look at the difference between those two. Who can tell me? Hi Khalid, what about you? Can you tell me? What are the difference between the old one and the new one?
The old one is not can see very good.
Excellent. And the new one?
Can see very.
Okay, what are the materials that we use in new telescope these days? Did you saw the video with us?
Yeah.
Okay, what did we use in the telescope? What's in front over here?
This we can see about it the sun and the moon and
Excellent.
the
You can
stars.
see planets and moon, stars. Excellent. But what is it over here? What do I call it? I call it something. It has what?
Um,
Start with L. L. It has lenses. Thank you, Khalid. Thank you for trying. It has lenses, one over here and the one over here. Okay, what else inside? Some other telescope, they have something inside them. Maybe you can see it not from here, maybe from up there, but they must have something small like a mirror to reflect the image. So we have plenty of types of telescope. Scientists invented them to see far objects such as the moon, stars, and planets. They wanted to study about space, so they used telescope. The telescope has changed since the 1609. What do you think the telescope will look like after 50 years? What do you think? Give me an idea. What do you think? Is it going to be very huge? Yes, ya Talal.
Yes.
Okay, telescope after 50 years. What do you think it's going to look like?
I don't know. I was born before 7 years.
Yes, I know that. After, in the 50 years later, that are coming up 50 years, what do you think telescope will look like? You will be 57. Do you think it's gonna be bigger, larger, or it's gonna be smaller? What do you think? Okay, can you see more clear, or the quality is not gonna be better?
Miss, I'm holding one.
Nice. Your telescope, do you know what does it have inside? It have a mirror. Do you know why? This mirror will reflect the image to your eye. Now, can you see? Hold this telescope. Hold it. See, it's not straight. It has curves in it. Is that right? Everyone, look at Talal's telescope. It's a small one. Hold it near to the camera so everyone can see it, Talal.
I have another one, but I couldn't find it.
It's fine. So you have a bigger one, you mean?
Yes.
Does it include a mirror inside?
I don't remember.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you how to know. If it's straight like this one, it doesn't need a mirror to reflect the image. But if you are putting your eyes over here, from here, this area, can you see? If you put your eye over here.
The big one, not from the small one.
This one? You look from here? From here, ya Talal, or from this side? From up or from down?
From down.
From down, so it doesn't have a mirror. If you are looking from up over here, you are putting your eye from here, so definitely it has a mirror. Nice. So if you are putting your eyes over here up, it definitely has a mirror to reflect the picture so you can see clear. Now, I want you guys to write a sentence that tells you about your telescope. Tell me about your telescope. Can you write a sentence about your telescope, ya Talal? You said you have one.
Yes.
Yes, Talal.
I can do a paper one.
Oh, but you need lenses to do a telescope. You need lenses, you need mirrors sometimes to make a telescope.
Lenses.
Okay, what can you say about your telescope, the one in your hand? Can you write a sentence about your telescope?
No.
Try. For example, I'm going to help you. My telescope can largen the picture maybe 10 times or million times. What else? Who can say something about the telescope? Yes, yes, Mai.
I have a telescope.
Nice. Okay, can you write a sentence for me about your telescope? How can you describe your telescope?
But I don't know how to write in the screen because I'm in the lab.
I'll help you write, but just you need to tell me what should I write. Give me an example or a sentence. How can you describe your telescope?
The telescope
Mm-hmm.
He let you to see
Yes.
so good.
Excellent. It let you to see things very clear. My telescope will have a very good quality of far objects. Excellent, excellent. Yeah, Ismail, excellent. Okay, one more, please. One more. I want you to tell me about your telescope. What should we write? Please. Yes, ya Hamza, tell me something about telescope. How can you describe a telescope?
I have a small telescope.
Nice. Okay, how can you describe this telescope? Your telescope, what does it do? Abdul Ilah, you are trying to write something. I'm so happy that you are trying. Can you say it to me? What you are trying to write?
I like
You have telescope?
No.
No? It's okay. Okay. What does a telescope do? Does it make things look smaller?
Yes.
Yes.
Miss, my small telescope is a tool, but it makes things bigger.
Excellent. Excellent. You can say my telescope make things looks bigger. My telescope have a good quality. Maybe your telescope is going to be built out of gold. Maybe you want it to be very large. I can see the moon while I am sitting in my house using my telescope. I can see all the planets using my telescope. Write whatever you love, whatever you want. Yes, ya Talal, I'm coming to you. Yes, ya Talal. Yes, dear.
Miss, I know what I write because when I put my eye in the telescope, it hurts a
Excellent.
little bit. So I
Nice.
write when I put my eye in a telescope, it hurts.
It hurts? Does it hurt?
A little bit.
Okay, do not keep it very close to your eye. Hold it neatly, please, gently. Do not bring it very close to your eyes, okay? Very nice, very nice, very nice. So let's write together, boys. Let's write together. My telescope make far planets looks closer to me. Okay? That's it for today, boys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna stop recording now and you can copy the sentence, then you can have your break. Okay, guys? I'm just gonna say bye-bye to recording now. Bye-bye, recording.